movement and control. It's a choice. राहुल मेरी प्रेडिक्शन है इस फाइट को लेके
बताइए.
फर्स्ट राउंड फिनिश है ये
Great. First round finisher. Well,
First round, I don't know
Rahul.
who's gonna win, but
Rahul is
it's
an
gonna be
experienced
over.
boxer. Rahul is an experienced.
Over in one round.
Oh, I think that Deepak should have his guard up because he cannot underestimate Rahul. Rahul is an experienced boxer. Well, it's a round. It's a first round finish because you know Deepak needs to have his guard up, which he doesn't, and Rahul is an excellent boxer, which I think Deepak doesn't know as yet.
Yeah, and it might be too late when he finds out.
Rahul is yet to open his account and oh,
बहुत ही बढ़िया लात पकड़ के नीचे गिराया क्या बात है मजा आ गया
we've got Deepak in the side control position. Rahul is against the cage.
ये पोजीशन खतरनाक हो सकती है राहुल के लिए
बिल्कुल हो सकती है अगर दीपक ने यहाँ से माउंट पे कर लिया. Now he is in half guard. You know, Manan, this is the game of MMA, and that's what we've been saying. While we were very confident that Rahul is going to finish it standing, you know, the tables have turned now. The moon is in retrograde, and Deepak is in a dominant position here. Whoa! बहुत hard था. Oh, that's a nice technical stand-up by Rahul. Whoa!
राहुल ने ठीक काम कर लिया वापस खड़े होने का फटाफट
That was an excellent stand-up. I think Deepak needs to have his guard up and then probably, oh, that's a nice escape. Manan, I think that Deepak is pretty, whoa, that's a nice takedown. Oh, he's setting up a rear naked choke
क्या
here.
बात है मजा आ गया दीपक की ग्रैपलिंग देखो यार the way he's taking राहुल down मजा आ गया राहुल this is hard stuff man
बस एक हाथ घुसा उसके हाथ के अंदर
दीपक जो है
एक हाथ घुसा उसके
मौका ही नहीं दे
दोबारा
रहे
एक
हैं
लेग
राहुल
लगा
को
उसके
कुछ
कमर
करने
पे
का
पुश कर उसे पीछे टाइम होने वाला
राहुल
है
की बॉक्सिंग हमें देखने को ही नहीं मिल रही है इतनी अच्छी ग्रैपलिंग कर रहे हैं दीपक उठा के पटक रहे हैं दीपक राहुल को व्हाट अ साइट
That was an excellent takedown, man. That was, what a throw that was.
राहुल and I'm talking to you राहुल not the Rahul inside the cage दीपक एकदम बढ़िया अपनी स्ट्रेटजी चला रहे हैं वो आए हैं और ग्रैपल कर रहे हैं और राहुल को बिल्कुल मौका नहीं दे रहे हैं बॉक्सिंग करने का
Bilkul Bini, and then now he's trying to take on the guard position. So far, Deepak is in side control.
he's saying something
10 more seconds in first round. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the fourth bout of the evening. This is Amateur Contenders Series, powered by Shastra Academy, supervised by All India Mixed Martial Arts Association. Round 2 begins. We can hear the corners shouting. Rahul's corner saying,
कॉर्नर बोल रहे हैं कि थोड़ा पीछे रह के खेलो उसको मिस्टेक करने दो
well, this is what I hate, you know. He doesn't have the guard up. And if I was Rahul, well, I am actually Rahul. I'll just go barging in with all the punches that I know. You know, throw a kick, start the combinations, rattle him. But you just can't be standing there and looking in your opponent's eyes, man.
यार मुझे लगता है कि वही वाली बात है जब उसके पास एक ही हथियार है अपने पंचेस वो और क्या करेगा कैसे रैटल करेगा कौन सी किक मारेगा क्या करेगा तो वो अपने एक ही वेपन को सेट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है इसीलिए वो घूम रहा है एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट राहुल इन द केज दैट्स व्हाई ही इज टेकिंग हिज टाइम बिकॉज़ ही जस्ट वांट्स टू यूज हिज हैंड
Well, yes. And Deepak looks a bit controlled here. Probably he heard Rahul's opponent shouting that let Deepak do the mistake.
दीपक की तरफ से बहुत अच्छी गेम देखने को मिल रही है मजा आ रहा है बिकॉज़ फर्स्ट राउंड में वो एकदम अग्रेसिव थे एंड नाउ व्हाट ही इज डूइंग इज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल
Well, some showboating here by Deepak. Whoa, bring it on.
फुल
Deepak
स्टाइल
saying, bring it
फुल
on.
स्टाइल क्या
Bring it
बात
on,
है
dude. Bring it on.
इसे कहते हैं हवाबाजी
मुझे लग रहा है दीपक दिल्ली से है, ये दिल्ली का स्वैग है मनन.
यहाँ तो दीपक दिल्ली से है, यहाँ दीपक ने दिल्ली में काफी टाइम बिताया है. ये दिल्ली वाला स्टाइल तो पूरा है इसका.
Surprising to see this is round 2 and no strike has been thrown by either party here.
I actually like that, Rahul. You know why?
This is ballet dancing.
No, because it's fascinating because they changed the direction of the game completely. Which
For
shows,
sure.
which shows that they're mature.
Exactly. And the fighter who does the mistake first here.
हमारे बोलने की देर थी बस. हमारे बोलने की देर
You know,
थी.
that was a
क्या
nice
बढ़िया takedown.
duck by Deepak here. Rahul threw a big hook.
ब्रेस्ट पे लगा उसके कमर पे लगा एक लात पीछे धकेल उसे पीछे.
Manan, this is what I say. This is why I say jiu-jitsu is very important.
बैग लगा पीछे पुश कर उसे.
Bro, with or without jiu-jitsu, if you're eating punches from the bottom,
10 more
it's gonna be
seconds in
good
round
night
2.
for you.
Well, yes. Whoa.
Hard shots from Deepak. Hard shots and
Whoa.
another takedown, man.
That's
Round
crazy.
खत्म किया उन्होंने एक और takedown से भाई. Crazy.
That's actually crazy, Manan.
Amateur
This
Contender Series is on
crazy.
fire.
Exactly, and it only happens at Amateur Contender Series because we've got a big cage and all the officials here, so fighters can actually afford to throw their opponent. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amateur Contender Series. This is the 4th bout of the evening. We've got Rahul Sharma from Kolkata with spikes and taking on Deepak. Whoa, I love the way Deepak is showboating, man. I love the way Deepak has been in this entire bout. He's been aggressive, he's been full of style, and I think he's a Conor McGregor fan.
आई थिंक ये बहुत ही बढ़िया MMA फाइटर हैं क्योंकि MMA सिर्फ लड़ने की बात नहीं होती. MMA is also about entertainment, also about style. You know, you can't be a boring fighter. So this kid is definitely MMA material.
We are yet to see some explosive action. Forget about explosive, we are yet to see some action from Rahul.
मुझे तो उनका कोई बॉक्सिंग बैकग्राउंड भी नजर नहीं आ रहा. इतनी देर में बॉक्सर कुछ तो मारता है. लाइक वी सॉ अगेंस्ट संदीप एंड अमरिंदर. In Sandeep and Amrinder, we saw Amrinder landing some good shots, man. Rahul hasn't even landed one shot. Amrinder ने संदीप का माथा खोल दिया था. खून निकल रहा था संदीप से. यहाँ तो राहुल ने एक जैब भी लैंड नहीं किया है. ये कौन सी बॉक्सिंग होती है?
Manan, I think we will go ahead and interview Rahul after this. But for sure, I think a lot of homework for Rahul here. He's got to go home and learn to close distance and throw in some punches. We've seen him fighting in, we've actually seen him fighting in Kolkata, and he wasn't like this. So it could be, fatigue due to travel or maybe change of geography, change of location, maybe food, could be anything. But
or maybe he's just not good enough. Maybe he just doesn't know how to fight.
Whoa, another takedown by Deepak. Well, I wouldn't say the takedown.
How is it
a big throw that was.
Fatigue or travel or like whatever when you can't even land one significant strike in an entire MMA match.
Manan, I think Deepak has his bout clearly. Oh, nice kick by Deepak here.
पता है क्या है कि एटलीस्ट कुछ होना तो चाहिए ना. अटेम्प्ट तो होना चाहिए किसी चीज का. ये हाँ
it's
ये
too late. It's
ये
too
पूरी
late.
फाइट में
Oh!
क्यों नहीं किया इन्होंने?
Whoa.
ये पूरी फाइट में क्यों नहीं किया इन्होंने?
Well, that's it.
ये क्या था?
That's it.
ये फाइट में क्यों नहीं किया इन्होंने?
Well, this is amateur MMA, Manan. I think this is what was required in the start of round 3. It was too late, you know. When the clapper went on, we only have 10 seconds, and that's when Rahul is showing his explosiveness.
It was required in all 3 rounds.
Of course.
And nobody's saying you maintain that pace all the time, but
Yeah.
beach mein nikalo to sahi.
Yeah.
Bring that out for a couple of seconds,
Yeah,
then move back.
So true. So
Bring
true.
that out again for a couple of seconds, then move back. But he didn't show us anything.
We can already see happiness and celebrations coming in from Deepak.
दीपक में स्टाइल पूरा है.
Swag है भाई.
स्वैग, दिल्ली वाला स्वैग.
दिल्ली का लौंडा है ये. कौन से जिम में ट्रेन करता है वैसे ये?
अगर ये दिल्ली का नहीं भी है तो हम इसे अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे.
भाई कौन से जिम में ट्रेन करता है दीपक?
आई थिंक शस्त्र कॉम्बैट अकेडमी में ट्रेन करता है दीपक.
हो ही नहीं सकता.
नहीं,
ये
कहीं
मुझे
और-
नॉकआउट का लग रहा है.
नॉकआउट फाइट क्लब में ट्रेन करता है. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. So Deepak is from Knockout Fight Club.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got the winner for this bout. It's Deepak via unanimous decision. He dominated the entire 3 rounds in this bout.